continue to hunt.
Wajir County is home to almost an estimated number of almost 4,000 Somali giraffes. And we're here to ensure that the communities understand the importance of these giraffes. And we are taking, together with the county government and the KWS, concrete efforts in creating more protected areas, community protected areas for these majestic, beautiful animals. There is an increase in bushmeat hunting, especially after COVID. You know, a lot of people cannot afford, or they've wrongly been told that giraffe meat contains cures for COVID and protection, and they're killing these wildlife. So, especially giraffe, they're using this to substitute their daily diet.
Proliferation of small arms affects our giraffes in this area. Also, the issues of climate change, the issues to do with drought, also the diseases which affect the giraffe, the skin diseases, they are also a challenge within Wajir.
Well, that leads us to a short commercial break here on News Desk. We still have much more. Keep it KTN News.